Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel RMB EduTech. আশা ৰাখিছো আপোনালোক সকলোৱে ভালে আছে আৰু আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি আলোচনা কৰিব লৈছো দুটামান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আপডেটস আৰু এই আপডেটস কিটা আপোনালোকে অসম লোক আয়োগ আসাম পাব্লিক সাৰ্ভিস কমিশনৰ ফালৰ পৰা আহিছে আৰু ইয়াত আপোনালোকে আপডেট কিটা মই এবাৰ পঢ়ি দিছো প্ৰথম আপডেটটো হৈছে ৰিগাৰ্ডিং list of candidates whose applications have been accepted or rejected for the post of lecturer in DICE PSTE under the Directorate of SCERT Assam English Assamese Physical Education Mathematics. Our next update is regarding notification regarding interview of viva post for the post of lecturer in DICE PSTE under the Directorate of SCERT. Iti ami ebar sai lo ahokso notification to ki likha ase. আপোনালোকে দেখা পাইছে notification date 24 February 2025. Notification date is here. APSC will hold interview of viva post for the post of lecturer in DICE under the Directorate of SCERT Assam as per program given below at its office at Jawaharnagar, Khanapara, Guwahati. Advertisement number 2 is aru prothom lecturer English date of interview 5th of March 2025 reporting time 9 pra lecturer physical education 6th of March 2025 9 pra Assamese 7th of March 2025 9 pra aru mathematics is 10th of March 2025 9 pra. Kindly note that the candidates appearing for interview viva must bring the following testimonials in original along with self-attested photocopies in chronological order for verification purpose. Gote yat janiko diti apnaloke gote kagoj potro bilak loi jabo. Logote yat diti se the accepted rejected list of candidates is already uploaded moi kolue website uploaded ase apnaloke ebar go through kori lobo aru eta important point declaration form a small family norms jikon form hekon kintu apnaloke fill up koribo lagibo aru hekon apnaloke APSC website eta option thake forms boli tar pra apnaloke download koribo lagibo akha rakhisu video to apnaloke informatively habise aru jodi informative of detail eta like kori dibo channel to subscribe koribo na paribo logote video to share koribo na paribo aziloi bye bye take care jai hind.